Hello, young wordsmiths. Today, we're going to embark on a thrilling adventure into the world of synonyms. Are you ready to discover some amazing word buddies? Let's dive right in. Now, synonyms are words that have similar meanings. They're like best friends who love to hang out together. Let's learn some together.
Huge, big, huge and big, glad, happy, glad and happy, stone, rock, stone and rock, start, begin, start and begin, hard, difficult, hard and difficult, end, finish, end and finish, trip, journey, trip and journey, sad, unhappy, sad and unhappy, ill, sick, ill and sick, infant, baby, infant and baby, easy, simple, easy and simple, speak, talk, speak and talk, job, occupation, job and occupation, fast, quick, fast and quick, delicious, tasty, delicious and tasty, angry, mad, angry and mad, small, tiny, small and tiny, respect, honor, respect and honor, rich, wealthy, rich and wealthy, get, receive, get and receive, mistake, error, mistake and error, afraid, scared, afraid and scared, beautiful, pretty, beautiful and pretty, peaceful, quiet. Peaceful and quiet. Wow, you're all doing an amazing job. Remember, synonyms are like word buddies that share similar meanings. The more synonyms we know, the more colorful our language becomes.
For watching, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.